Hello everyone, welcome to Priyanka in Kitchen. Today I'm making a very easy and quick snacks almond paneer crust. For that we'll make slurry. Now take corn flour, some red chili powder, salt, black pepper powder, crust, garlic, water and make a slurry out of it. Now add coriander leaves. Mix and keep it aside. Now take breadcrumbs, some almond powder. I have took almonds and grind in a mixture. Now keep it aside. Now take paneer or a cottage cheese and cut in a cube. Take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, slurry and the dry ingredient. Now coat paneer with the corn flour properly. Now dip it into a slurry and coat it properly. Now coat with the bread and almond breading. Keep this in a refrigerator for 15 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan. Put all the cubes in it. Cook it till it is golden brown. This dish is made very quickly, so you have to continuously turn it so it doesn't burn. Now you can see the slight golden crust on the top. It takes almost 5 to 7 minutes. So now you can see our paneer crust is ready. Now take out in a plate. Now for the dip we will take yogurt. I took half cup of yogurt, some grated cucumbers, salt, black pepper powder, coriander leaves and some lemon juice. Now mix it properly. Now serve this dip with a paneer crust. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.